Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the hero transition in Flutter Android. Let's see the project structure. In the libs folder, we have two Dart files, the main.dart and the second page.dart. Then, we created an assets folder. Inside that, we have created an images folder. And inside that, I have placed an image file. Then open the pubspec.yaml file. Scroll down until this point. And write the following lines of code. This piece of code tells the Flutter app that we are going to use some assets from the following path. Then click the pub get button and wait for the procedure to get complete. Now, let's see the main.dart file. These are the imports. First, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we specify the title of the app bar. The body attribute, we have a center widget. Inside that, we have a column widget. Inside the column, we have a hero widget. The tag attribute is set to some tag name. And the child attribute is set to the image.asset widget. Here we have specified the path to the image, along with height and width. Then we have an elevated button. When the button is clicked, we call the navigator.push function. The first argument of this function is the context. The second argument is the material page router widget. In this widget, we pass the instance of the page where we want to go. So here I have passed the instance of the second page. Let's see the second page now. This is import. This is the second page stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _secondPageState. This is the _secondPageState class. Here we will design the UI of the second page. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we specify the title of the app bar. The body attribute, we have a center widget. Inside that, we have a hero widget. The tag attribute is set to the same tag name, which we had used in the main.dart file. And the child attribute is set to the same image that we had used in the main.dart file. So basically, the hero widget is exactly the same in both the pages. Let's run the app. As you can see, the image gets a nice transition effect called as hero transition when I navigate between the two pages. So that's it. That's how you can implement the hero transition in Flutter Android. Thank you.